Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got another recipe to share with you, and natural healthy juice. And what I'm going to make today is red grape, raspberries, apple. I'm using a red apple and I'll be using a green apple. And I'm also going to use a ripe banana, a bit of ginger to give it a kick. I love my ginger. And I'm going to use half of lemon, and I'm about to start. So first I'm going to remove the skin from my banana. Cut up in small pieces. And I'm going to wash my apple. And I'm going to wash my lemon. Cut my lemon in two halves. I'm just going to use half of my lemon. I'm just going to wash my grape. Straight into my blender. I'm going to wash my raspberries. Straight into my blender. I'm going to wash my apple. I'm going to squeeze half of my lemon juice into the blender. And tablespoon and a tablespoon of honey straight into my blender. And I'm going to add enough water to cover my fruits. That's enough. And serve this. switch on my blender from the main, and I'm gonna switch it on from here. Whoa, wow. That is it's all finished blending. I love this blender. It's so powerful. It's all finished blending. Don't need a lot of time to blend your fruits because it's a good quality blender. Like I said, it's very powerful. So I really love this blender. I'm gonna remove the lid. Wow, that is so rich, thick, and looking very healthy. Wow, can't wait to have a taste of this. I really can't wait to have a taste of it. Looking so good. Wow, and I am going to start straining my juice. Wow. Wow. It is amazing what you can do at home in your own kitchen. Really amazing. Wow. Guys, if you don't start blending your fruits, you really need to get going. Believe you me, you're missing out on some really, really delicious juice what I'm making at home. So please, please start blending and enjoy your juice and stay healthy. And if there's any juice you want me to make for you, please leave me a comment and I will make it for you when I get all of my fruits together. I will make it for you. It is just over 2 weeks since I am making these juice, and like I said, I really enjoy making it and I'm getting a lot of benefit from it. I realized that I'm not easily tired and it's really good for my skin. I've noticed my skin tones is looking really good, really good. So there's a lot of benefit from these juice what I'm making. I'm just gonna give my juice a second strain to make sure that all the bits are out of my juice. This juice is looking very rich and healthy. Exactly the way how I want it to look. And I'm hoping it tastes exactly how I want it to taste. Guys, I would highly recommend you have a glass of natural healthy juice every morning with your breakfast or on its own. Just gonna give it a stir. Look at it, it's looking really good, really good. So I finished making my juice and I am going to pour some over, a bit of ice, and then I'll have a taste. So I'm pouring my juice over ice. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, oh my God. That is looking really healthy. Wow, really healthy. So guys, I am gonna have a little taste. Wow. Mm. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Mm. I'm loving it. Guys, if you like my juice, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your juice, and I'm out until the next video. Bye.